It's Tuesday and I'm back out on the Willoway docks. Let's take a walk through the docks. First up here, we're looking at Villa. This is Ruby Red from the American Beauties program. You can see the Villa's got some buds on it and some great looking fall flowers. Here you have some drift roses. You can see they are loaded with buds. Still going to have some great color right through the fall. We have some geraniums. Here we have geranium Roseanne and geranium Azure Rush. And in the background there, we have some gallery. Beautiful color on the Bernera. This is Silver Heart. Look at that great color. Tied up, but here we're looking at some Myrica Pennsylvanica. And expanding over here, more Myrica. Paniculata, Hydrangea, Azaleas. We see a lot of the Villa going out. And wow, check out these nice 2-gallon boxes. We have some gorgeous variegated iris. Dianthus is looking fantastic, and the woolly thyme are gorgeous. Box is going out right now for landscape jobs. Here we're looking at our 3-gallon Buxus Green Gems. Beautiful Calaminthia in full bloom right now. This one's been a hit for the last couple of weeks. This is a new Lagella called Midnight Sun. A lot of grasses growing out here. We're looking at 3-gallon Tara Forester. Beautiful color on the 2-gallon Blue Stars. Wow, look at the exceptional size on these 3-gallon Performance. Always popular on the dock. Here we have some 3-gallon New Gen Freedom. Look at these nice, big, heavy 5-gallon PJMs. They're loaded with buds. Gorgeous grade here, guys. Good value. Up a more boxwood here. We're looking at Buxus Little Missy. Seeing a lot of container trees coming up on the dock today. And here we're looking at some 15-gallon. These are Ginkgo Princeton Century. Here we see some more trees coming into the dock here. Again, a busy day in the container trees. Another door here, we're looking at 15-gallon. These are Skylines. Again, we're starting to see some fall color coming out. Great looking heads on these. And then some 15-gallon Forest Pansy. Some carts up here. We have some more of the Villa. And we have grasses, Hamlins, 3-gallon Bernie Bush. And then some of these green Sergeant Junipers. Nice size to these. Next up here we have some 25-gallon. These are green giant arborvitaes. These are 7 to 8 footers here. Beautiful landscape grade. There's some 15-gallon Carpinus. You know, we have gorgeous 7 to 15-gallon Carpinus right now. Perfect landscape size. You can see here the guys are really hustling right now. Taking up a lot of trees, getting ready to load them up on the trucks. We have a nice order of these 10-gallon Texas Everlos. Gorgeous plants. Look at the beautiful plumes on these grasses right now. These are, tend to see them redheads. I showed you our 25-gallon Green Giants, and here we're looking at the 15s. Again, exceptional value on the arborvitaes. Just catching these blue points before they take them into the truck. 7-gallon Blue Point Juniper. Here we're looking at Nepeta and Salvia. A lot of perennials are still looking fantastic. We have some of our ferns, tassel ferns. Several varieties of ferns are looking great right now. And our 1-gallon pack of Sandra. Don't forget we have ground cover in both 1-gallon and flat. Pull a few barberry off to show you. We have some Orange Rocket and Crimson Cutie. Again, the barberry is a great fall color item. The box with the sea here, we have our 3-gallon Winter Gems. Here we have some 20-gallon Amelanker Autumn Brilliance that just came into the dock. Gorgeous, nice, heavy plant. Here we're looking at some 15-gallon Slender Silhouette and also Red Buds. Again, a lot of gorgeous container trees shipping today. The 2-gallon Gaties, don't forget, those get year-round color. Tree here a little bit and show you some of the perennial crops. Here we're looking at Pravaskia. This is Little Spires. And as you can see, they're still bud and bloom. They're looking fantastic. Except in this house here, this is Delasperma Desert Garnet. And wow, look at this crop. Can full here, still got bud and bloom. Yeah, nice looking plants. Several Dianthus crops that are looking fantastic right now. This is the Pete to Town Fuchsia. You can see here, they're looking good. A lot of color yet to come. Here we're looking at a fresh crop of Rudbeckia and Goldstrom. And although they're not flowering, they're gorgeous plants ready for landscape. Another popular plant with landscaping is Monarda. Great pollinator plant. This is Monarda Bubblegum Blessed. Next up here, we're looking at a house of Salvia May Night. And you can see here, these plants are looking great. Still have a lot of bud and bloom. Here we're looking at a block of Tradescanthia Amethyst Kiss. And it's still throwing some bud and blooms out there. Nice heavy plants. Here we have variegated iris, and I think this is a plant that may be a little bit underutilized because, you have the spring flower and then this gorgeous variegation throughout the course of the season. We have some beautiful 19 centimeter variegated iris. Another beautiful perennial. This is Platycoton Sentimental Blue. These maples continue to be hot. Here we're looking at our 7-gallon Temiukiama. Nice value. Came in here, we're looking at our grow bags. Just those juniper skyrocket. You can see they have great shape. Ready to load that order. Look at those 15-gallon Green Mountain. Spirea continues to look good. Here we got some 3-gallon little Princess Spirea and some gold wine. Padilla Spilled Wine, that's another popular one that we see a lot on the dock here. 3 gallons are looking fantastic. Coming over here, we're looking at our 5-gallon Buxus Winter Gem. A fun plant. This is 2-gallon Thuya Whitford. Physocarpus coming up to the dock here. We're looking at Physocarpus Little Devil for the first edition. Here we have some heck of a low all gold grass. And, you can start to see they're starting to get a little bit of a fall foliage issues on it, if you will. It's starting to get colder, so we're going to start to see the foliage start to decline. But you can see here, they're nice, big, heavy, full plants. Brown cover to look at here. We have Vinca Minor, some more of those 1-gallon pack of Sandra. Looking good. For great color here, we have Fucura. Those are Carmels. I believe those are Midnights, and the Proven Winter selection here. And then we have some ferns. These are autumn brilliants. Great Texas to look at here. We have our 3-gallon Texas Densiformis. A lot of those 5-gallon Buxus Winter Gems. We're looking at Syringa Bloomerang Ballet. This is a newer one from Proven Winter. You can see here, this one is continually blooming right now. This late in the season, it has a wonderful fragrance. I'm ready to grab this cart, but I wanted to show you the 3-gallon Acanthus. Yeah, we got some of these 3-gallon limelights starting to come in. Nice heavy plants, they're going out of bloom in some cases in the paniculatas, but man, we got some gorgeous plants. Several of the worry-free grasses have been coming up here and shipping out. These are the Pennisetum type, so we have cayenne and etouffee. Looking good. Again, these are non-invasive grasses from worry-free. We have some of our Malus argenti. These are espaliers. Nice. Here, more of those 5-gallon boxwood just keep coming up to the dock here. Again, these are the 5-gallon Winter Gems. We have green gems and velvets. They're all looking fantastic. We have some beautiful new gen boxwood Independence, Anna's Magic Ball, and those I believe are Hello Dolly. And that's fire it is. Looking good. This one just came in here. We have a pallet of our 7-gallon Bloomerang Dark Purple. Nice big heavy heads. A quick walk through the dock. You can see here the guys are busy getting things loaded up and loading on trucks. Be sure to get with the sales team. Geez, I hope we're loading the truck for you.